Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This is Ram. So in this video I'm going to unbox a sample smooth laptop stand. It can also be called as invisible laptop stand. Yes, so I have bought this product from Amazon for only just 399 rupees. Yes, I have given the direct link in this video description. If you are interested to buy, you can go and check. Yes, so friends, I have gone through different websites to buy a laptop stand. Actually I'm using Macbook Air, so this laptop is very smooth and thin, so I finally decided to buy this laptop stand for my MacBook Air. As you see, so this is a very good product for Mac laptops, so it suits very well and color also matching. Yeah, so it's look very simple, and you cannot, nobody can figure out you are carrying a laptop stand. Yes, the glue is very strong, which sticks nicely to the base of my laptop, and but if you are trying to peel it, so it will be very hard. Yeah, this laptop stand can be done in three ways, as shown in this image. So actually there is a foldable flap inside. Yeah, so depending on your comfort, you can pick any way to keep the stand. Yeah, so I would prefer the cross pattern if you are not used to keep the laptop at such angles. So this might seem wide to you, but eventually you shall get used to it if you are regularly using. Yes, so the use of laptop without using the stand feels normal. If you are using laptop by using this type of stand, it is more comfortable than normal usage. Yes, so as you can see, it's sticked completely and very strong. So yeah, so this product is meant for Apple laptops generally, where they do not have any vents on the bottom, and so not causing any such issues. Yeah, the laptop was given us not only the flexibility to work anywhere. This laptop stand built with special PU and fiberglass material. The MOF laptop stand is strong and stable enough to hold up to 8 kgs. Yes, so generally our laptops on an average 2.5 or 2 kg, maximum 3.5 kg. Yeah, so the built-in magnets allows you to unfold the laptop stand quickly and securely attach it to a flat surface. Yes, so as you can see, so I can type very easily and smoothly without any shaky laptop shakes and all. So it's grounded very clearly. So as you can see, if I touch here, but it's generally very thin, but while typing it's very strong, so you can feel that strongness. Yes, so in my opinion, this is a very good budget friendly laptop stand, so you guys can also order and use. So this is very simple, so where we can carry along with our laptop. Yes, so hope this video is helpful to you all. Thanks for watching friends. So hit that like button and subscribe for more updates like this. So we'll meet you on my next video. Thank you.